Unite for Quality Education is a campaign that's going this year, and two of the areas of that campaign are teachers and tools. We need quality teachers and we need quality tools to have a quality education. What we're calling for here in the province is that our teachers have continual professional development, that they're trained and that they're supported to deliver the curriculum in the best way possible. And the second thing is to have quality resources. Many of our schools now don't have enough resources. We don't see the inspectorate or the ETI or the department without paperwork and photocopying, but schools no longer can afford that. And we have schools who are having to do cups and cake sales, minibus washes, car washes, and we need to have more resources going into our schools.